Hello, let's look into today's Leetcode problem, which is check if a string occurs as prefix of any word in a sentence. So the question is quite self-explanatory. What you need to do is search for a word given in the sentence which has its prefix equal to search word. So in this question you are given with two inputs. One is sentence where you need to search for a word that has prefix set to search word. Search word is the second input that we will be provided with. So let's look into this example. Here we have sentence is equal to I love eating burger and search word as burg. What you simply do is iterate over the sentence and try finding an index which has its prefix equal to burg. In this example, we have burg in fourth index, so we simply return 4. And we need to return one base indexing. That's why we are not starting to say that this is the 0th index, but things start from first index. First index is basically the 0th index here. And if you are unable to find any word which has its prefix set to search word, then you simply return -1. Okay, so let's quickly understand what the problem looks like, how someone will easily be able to figure out how to approach these kind of problems is. If you see here, the constraints are small, which means that we will be able to achieve the solution in big of 1. And believe me, that will be a very good answer actually. Let me try showing you the linear time solution for this problem. And the linear time solution is the best one here because I was able to get 100% fast time complexity. So what we simply do is we iterate over the sentence, and for each word in that sentence we search if search word is equal to that sentence or if it's prefix for that word in that sentence. That's it, nothing else. So for someone developing or someone writing code in Python, you can use delimiter to separate out words using the spaces and form a list out of it. Iterate through the list and boom, all you need to do is check if the search word is prefix for that word or not. I'll try to make the solution generic. So let's say we have a list or array which gets separated out using space as a delimiter. Then this is how the array or list will look like. And what you need to do now is search or do comparison basically. So Berg will be compared with this as well as this. So for the first three word or string, the comparison won't be done because the first letter itself is not matching. But for the fourth index, what you do is for every word actually, you need to have two pointers, I and j, and increment I and j accordingly. If I and j are equal, then you increment the j here, here. Both of them are equal again, then you increment I, increment j. Both of them are equal here as well. So you increment I will be pointing in G and J will be pointing towards G as well. Now G is also equal to G for both of these words. So you increment I will come here and J will come out of bound basically. So here the condition will something be like if you reach the end of search index, if J is equal to search word of size, that means you have already found a word that has prefix is equal to bug. Then you simply return the index. It's as simple as that. You should declare a variable called index while iterating the array or list, right? So you will be incrementing the index as well. And for some index, if you find a match, then you simply return that index. So that's how the answer works. So in the C++ code, we are using string stream to iterate over the sentence, and for each word we do what I said. That is, if we do a simple comparison, and if at some point of time you are unable to do matching, if the matching is not ideal, then you simply break, because there's no point in comparing going forward. Like in this example itself, when B is compared with I, or let's say if B is compared with L, there is no equality in the letters, so you simply break because the comparison is flawed, and then you start doing comparison for the next index. So let's say if you find a match throughout the search word, then this condition will reach, and you simply return the index. So index is one based here, and yeah. So in the end, if you are unable to find any search word, any word that has prefix is equal to search word, then you simply return -1. So yeah, that's it for the solution. Thanks for watching.